Hello, Anyan.
Hello, teacher.
Good evening.
Good evening, teacher.
Yeah, sorry, teacher was late because I have to restart my computer because Zoom is not working.
Yeah,
Okay, so anyway, Anyan, how are you today?
I'm good. And you?
I'm good too. And how is the weather now?
It, um,
Is it
it,
still is it still winter in Vietnam?
yeah, it,
Oh, so it's cold,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
Okay, very good. Okay, so tonight, Anyan, we are having a new lesson to learn. Okay, so let's begin, Anyan. Okay, so our lesson for tonight is all about, can you read the title?
Mm. Unit 22. A trip to the city.
Okay, very good. A trip to the city. So, Anyan, what number is this?
It 100.
Okay, very good. It's 100
Hundred.
or hundreds. Very good. How about this one? What number is this?
In million.
Again?
Million.
No. Oh, what's next with 100?
Mm.
Starts with letter T. What is this?
Hmm. I don't know.
Okay, it's 1.
1,000.
Very good. It's 1,000 or?
1,000.
Very good. So when you have 2 zeros, the number is hundreds. When it has 3 zeros, it's thousand. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Anyan, can you adjust your camera, please? Can you put it down a little bit so I can see you?
Yeah.
Okay, it's okay now. Okay, so now let's have this one. What's good and what's not good? Okay, so look at the picture, Anyan. What do you call this place?
Is a village.
Okay, very good. It's a village. Now, Anyan, can you describe what is on the picture, or can you describe a village?
Hmm. It's beautiful.
It's beautiful. And then what else?
It's very quiet.
It's very quiet. Very good. And then
It's nice.
it's nice. Okay. And then what else?
In many small house.
Okay. It has a lot of small houses. Very good. So now, Anyan, how many homes do you think are there in a village? Do you think it's
I
plenty or less?
think it's 10.
How many do you think?
It's 10.
It's 10? 10 only?
Mm, yeah.
Okay. So, next question, Anyan. How many houses and flats are there in a city? Many. Okay, give me a specific number. What number do you think?
I think 100.
It's 100 only?
Yeah.
Okay. So next one. What's good about living in a village, Anyan? Give me some reasons. Why do you think it's good to live in a village?
Yeah.
Why do you think? Give me some reasons. Why is it good to live in a village?
Because it's quiet.
It's quiet. Okay, very good. That's number one. How about number two?
It's beautiful.
It's beautiful. And then one more.
Mm. The people in there is nice. Very nice.
Okay, the people there are nice. Very good. So next question. What do you think is not good about living in a village? Not good. Why? Give me some reasons. Why do you think it's not good to live in a village?
I don't know.
Oh, maybe you can guess some reasons. Why do you think it's not good to live in a village?
Not have
Not have what?
have TV.
Okay, you don't have TV. And then, what else do you think?
Wi-Fi.
No Wi-Fi.
Yeah.
Okay, one more. Give me one more reason. No TV, no Wi-Fi, and then what else?
Yeah.
That's all?
Yeah.
Okay. So now let's see. Okay, now Anyan, look at the picture. Let's have vocabulary, okay? Now, what do you think is this place, Anyan?
I think stock bus.
Again?
I see a school bus.
Okay, and then what do you call that place?
Yeah. Bus stop.
Okay, very good. It's a bus stop. Now, Anyan, what can we do in a bus stop?
You can cut bus.
Very good.
Bus.
That is the correct answer. A bus stop is a place where we can catch bus. Okay, next one, Anyan. What is on the picture?
Yes, supermarket.
Supermarket or? What else do you call this place aside from supermarket? Okay, very good. So this is a shopping center, or also we can call it a supermarket. Okay, now Anyan, what can we do in a supermarket?
You can buy everything.
Yes, like, give me an example. What can we buy?
Food.
Food.
Clothes.
Trouser.
Clothes.
What else can we buy aside from food?
Scooting.
School things. Okay, very good. So, Anyan, when do you go to a supermarket? When do you go there?
By car.
By car. Okay. So, do you go there on weekends?
Yeah.
Okay, and then what do you do there? When you go to the supermarket, what do you do there?
I buy some food.
Okay, very good. You buy some food. And then, what is this place, Anyan?
Town.
A town or?
City. Or city.
Very good. This is a town or a city. Now, Anyan, what can you say about a city? What can we see there?
Many tower.
Many.
Many tower.
Oh, there's a lot of tower in a city. Okay. And then, how about this place? What is this place, Anyan?
Countryside.
Countryside or?
Village.
Village. Very good. Okay, now, Anyan, what is the difference between a city and a village? Can you explain it to me?
Many cow.
So in a village, there are a lot of cow or animals. How about in the city? No animals. Okay, now, how about the houses, Anyan? Can you describe the houses? Or you start first with the city. What is the difference between their houses?
Big house.
Okay, in a city, there are big houses. And then, how about in a village?
Small house.
Small houses. Okay, very good. So in a city, you can find a lot of buildings, towers, and houses. While on a village, there are only few houses there. Okay, so now, Anya, let's have letter A activity. Write sentences about a village and a city. Okay. All right, so this is an example, Anyan. Can you read it?
Thousands of people live here. Homes are often new. News. Trains are bigger. People often move more quickly. Streets are often long here.
It's quieter.
Quieter here. Sometimes farms are near here. Roads are often stopped. They are big shopping centers. People often walk more slowly. Homes are often older. It's noisy here. Not many people have gardens. Sometimes there's a shop here. schools have lots of classrooms.
Okay, so now, Anyan, let's compare a village and a city, okay? So in a village, not many people live here. How about in a city?
And many people, it thousands of people here.
Okay, thousands of people live here. Okay, next one, Anyan. What can you say about a village?
Quiet,
Okay, quiet. And how about in a city?
noisy,
Noisy. Okay, what else?
in the village has many animals.
Okay, has many animals. So how about in a city?
Not have animals.
No animals. Okay, one more. Give me some, describe a village.
In roads are often stored.
Okay. Roads are shorter. Oh, how about in a city?
Streets are often long here.
Streets are long. Okay, so now let us see if you got a correct answers. Okay, so can you read the answer, Anyan? So in a village,
Most gardens are big in quiet here. Sometimes farmers are near roads are often short too. People often walk more slowly. Homes are often older. Sometimes here's a soft here.
okay, very good. And then how about in a city? Okay, teacher will read it. Teacher's turn now, okay? Thousands of people live here. Homes are often newer. People often walk more quickly. Streets are often longer here. There are big shopping centers. It's noisier here. Not many people have gardens and schools have lots of classrooms. Okay, very good, Annie. Because the words that you have said are correct. Okay, so you got 7 points here. Okay, now, Annie, what do you think is this in the picture? What do you call this picture?
It's sweet.
Street or?
Road.
Okay, street or road. And the next one, what is this place?
Is sweet.
Okay, this is a street. Now, Annie, and what is the difference between a road and a street?
I don't know.
Okay, so look at here. This is the answer, okay? Can you read it?
Don't always don't always have buildings in them.
Okay, so as you can see or when you observe, Annie, there is no building or houses beside the road, okay? And how about on the street? Can you read it?
Street always do.
Okay, so in the street, you can always see a shop or some places beside it, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Okay, now, Anya, let's have activity B. What did Daisy do last week? Listen and draw a line from the day to the correct picture. So again, Anya, this is a listening activity now. Okay, so you have to listen and then draw a line on the day of your answer, okay?
Yeah.
So let's begin now.
22B. A trip to the city. Look at the pictures. What did Daisy do last week? Listen and look. There is one example.
Hello, Daisy. Did you go to the city last week?
Yes, Uncle Tony. Sunday was great.
Was that your first day there?
Yes. Dad bought our tickets. Then we got on the train. You can travel to the city really quickly.
I know.
Can you see the line from the word Sunday? On Sunday, Daisy went on the train. Now you listen and draw lines. 1.
What did you do on Tuesday? The weather here was very sunny that day.
On Tuesday, we went for a boat ride on the river.
Wow!
Our seats were at the front by a screen that told us about important places. I wore my best clothes that day.
2.
And Monday was good too.
Did you go shopping that day?
Mum wanted to be quiet that day. We went for a quick walk round a lake.
I like doing things like that.
Me too. And we had a picnic there.
3.
What about on Saturday?
I think we went shopping that day. Yes, that's right.
Did you buy anything?
Well, we got some food and Mum and I looked at the clothes.
Was that exciting?
No, I think it's more exciting to be outside.
4.
It rained a lot one day. We went to the cinema.
Which day was that? Was it Wednesday?
No, it was Friday. The screen was really big.
And what was the film about?
Some children who sailed to another country.
5.
And tell me about Thursday.
OK. On Thursday, we had lunch in a cafe. We sat and watched all the people and cars and buses. The street was really busy.
What did you eat?
I don't know, but it was nice. I loved being in the city.
Okay, very good. So now let us check.
Yeah.
Okay. Again. So Tuesday, your answer is letter E, correct? Next, Monday. Oh, okay, Monday, you are wrong, Anyan.
Yeah.
Okay, Monday, you are wrong. Next one. Sunday is correct. Friday is correct. And then this one is Tuesday. Okay, very good. So you got 4 points in this part. Good job, Anyan. Okay, so can you read what's on the chart? Anyan, Monday, where did Daisy went?
Monday, Daisy went to a lake.
Very good. Next, Tuesday. How about Tuesday?
Tuesday, Daisy Went to a trip boat.
Went to?
No. Tuesday.
What did Daisy do?
Daisy caught a trip boat.
Okay, next, Wednesday.
Wednesday. She at home.
Okay, at home. And then next.
Thursday. Daisy.
Where did Daisy go on Thursday?
Went to cafe.
Okay, went to the cafe. Next one. Friday.
Friday. Daisy go to cinema.
Yes, went to the cinema. And then last one is Saturday.
Saturday. Daisy went to
Where?
Went to shopping.
Yes, she went on shopping. Very good. Okay, so you got 6 points here, Anyan. Very good. Okay, now let's continue. Okay, letter C, questions. What's really quiet and what moves quickly? Okay, so look at the picture, Anyan. Which two letters do the words question, quiet, and quickly begin when you write them? Okay, so Anyan, what is the letter that starts with the word question, quickly, and quiet? What letter is that? The word question, quickly, and quiet. What are the letters that they are starting off? What letter is that?
Question.
What do you call this letter?
Letter P.
Again?
Letter P.
Very good. It's letter Q. Okay, next one. What makes a loud noise when it moves in a city, Anyan? Look at the picture. What makes a loud noise when it moves in a city? Look at the picture. What makes a loud noise when it moves into a city? Look at the picture. Just think of it, Anyan. What makes a loud noise? So it means when you're in the city, what is the most louder sound, or which is the most noisiest sound or noise in a city? Is it the bike? Is it the clown? Or what is the answer?
Car.
Okay. So these are the answers, okay? Can you read it, Anyan?
A plane, a train, a motorbike, a lorry, a bus, a car.
Okay, very good. Next. What makes quiet noises in a city? Quiet noises. Or what makes a quiet noises in a city? Okay, here is the answer, Anyan. Can you read it?
TVs, radios, phones, people, and the wind.
Okay, very good. The wind. Next question. What is really quiet? What's really quiet in the city?
Tree.
Okay, so can you read the answer?
Snow, bikes, computers, birds, meat, spiders.
Okay, good job. Next question. What moves really quickly in a city?
Car.
Okay, that is correct. Very good. Planes, trains, and cars. Okay, next one. What moves more slowly in a city?
Bikes.
Okay, very good. It's bike, people, and cats. Okay, next question. Which is quieter, a car or a computer?
Computer.
Computer, okay, very good. So now let's have activity D. Listen and look, right? Yes or no. So Ben lives in the city. It's Saturday. Some people are laughing in Ben's street because they're watching Ben's uncle. Ben's uncle is a clown. Okay, so we have here some examples. Number one of the boys is pointing at something. Answer is yes. Number two, you can only see one person on the motorbike. Answer is no. Okay, number one, Anyan, read and then answer yes or no.
The clown is standing different to children.
Okay, yes or no?
No.
Okay, yes is the answer. The clown is standing. Okay, next, number two.
The bigger car is in front of the small car. Yeah. Oh.
Answer is no because the smaller car is in front. Okay, number three.
A woman is watching a stop in the street. No.
No. Okay, number four.
A girl is climbing up the tree to have a black cat. Yeah.
Okay, yes. Next, number five.
So I'm more than to keep bird in the stop window.
Okay, answer is?
No.
Okay, no. Very good. Next, number six.
The person with the guitar is wearing red trousers. No.
Okay, no. Very good. Okay, 4 points. Okay, Anya, next time, can you read louder? Okay? Read louder and faster so that you can exercise. Okay? You can practice reading in a correct way. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, now. Let's have color that car. Okay, so can you see the car, the small one that's in front of the bigger one? Can you see it, Anya?
Yeah.
Okay, that is it. Color the car red, please. Can you color it red?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, next one, Anyan. Now find the man with a beard. Can you see him?
Yeah.
Okay, that is it. Okay, now, Anyan. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, so let's skip that one. Now let's go to the third one. There are two computers in the picture. Color the one that the boys are carrying. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Now color it yellow, Anyan.
Yeah. Yeah.
Finish. Okay, next one. Color the coat of the clown blue. Okay, very good. So now, Anya, let's go here. In activity letter E, I think I know the answer. Okay, so I will read some questions here, Anyan, and then you choose your answer from the two boxes, okay? Whether it's a green box or a violet box, okay?
Yeah.
So let's have number one. I think the city is a really exciting place. What do you think is the answer there? I think this city is a really exciting place.
So do I.
Again?
So do I.
Oh, wait a minute. I will put a tick on your answer. Okay, this one is your answer here. Next one. I know there is a bookshop near here. Again, I know there is a bookshop near here.
Do you want to then?
Do you want to go there? Okay, next one. I think we need to find a cafe. I'm hungry.
And I'm really good too.
Okay, last one. I know that's the right bus. Quick, come on.
Okay.
Okay, very good. So you got a perfect score of 4 points. Very good, Anyan. Okay. So now, Anyan, think of a beautiful place or a city in Vietnam, okay? So what is the name of the city, Anyan? What do you think is the beautiful city? Oh, okay. Let's talk about your place. So what is the name of your place?
Vinh Yên City.
Okay, now, Anyan. How many people do you think lives in your city?
I think
How many people do you think lives in your place? 100, 1,000, 10,000? What do you think?
10,000.
Wow, 10,000. So your place is a very big place, right?
No, it's small.
Ah, it's small only? Your place is just small?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Now, why is your city famous, Anyan? Why do you think your city is famous?
It's not famous.
It's not famous. And then, so if it's not famous, Anyan, then what can we see in your city? For example, teacher goes to your place. Now, where are you going to bring me to a trip?
It's very, very nice.
Very, very what?
Nice.
Nice. Okay. So how is the weather in your city, Anyan?
It's windy.
It's windy. How do people go in your place?
I don't know.
Do you go there by bus, by boat, by plane? What do you think?
It's by plane.
By plane. Okay, next one. Okay, so Anyan, I have a last question to you. Why do you like to live in your place or in your city?
In my hometown.
Because it's your hometown. And then what else aside from it's your hometown?
It's very nice.
It's
beautiful.
It's very nice and beautiful. Okay, very good. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so Anyan, we are finished for wait a minute. Okay, so we are finished now, Anyan, with our activity and lesson for tonight, okay?
Yeah.
So let's have our makeup class again on Sunday morning at 9 and 10 in the morning, okay? Don't forget it.
Yeah.
Okay, so good night, Anyan.
Good night, teacher.
Good night. See you on Sunday.
See you Sunday.